Do you find it difficult or hard to articulate the diphthongs, also known as double vowel sounds? Say no more. In today's lesson, we will be talking about double vowel sounds, also known as diphthongs. I'm going to teach you a proper way, in fact, an easy technique to identify or articulate the double vowel sounds without making any mistakes. Let's begin with the first one. The first word is ear, ear. The first sound is e, and the second sound is e. Bring them together. Ear, 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 ear. Perfect. Easy, right? Cool. The second sound is u, 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 and e. Bring them together. U, u, u. Perfect. The next sound is I, just like my eyes over here, right? I. The first sound is ah, and the second sound is e or e. I, I, I. Perfect. The next sound is oi, oi. The first sound is o, and the second sound is e. Bring them together as usual. Oi, oi. Perfect. The next sound is o, o, o. This is my favorite, o. The first sound is and the second sound is oo or oo. O, o, o. Perfect. The next sound is air, 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 like the air you breathe, right? The first sound is and the second sound is air, air, air. Good. The next sound is ow, ow, ow. The first sound is ah, and the second sound is oo. Bring them together again. Ow, ow. Perfect. The next sound is a. That's the first letter of the alphabet. A, a. The first sound is and the second sound is e. Bring them together. A, a. Perfect. Practice this and you'll be perfect with your diphthongs. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.